You are with DivaButterfly. Today, you see, I got my little girl here, Anna.
Hi.
Everybody likes when I do her hair, so I'm going to show you a new style. So this is a new style today that I get from Naturally Tiffany. She has a YouTube channel that is good for toddler hair, and ever since I've been watching her doing hair, I have no problem. So we're gonna get started. I already sectioned her hair off because this is how I'm gonna start. It's three parts here, and now I'm going to moisten her hair again. And this is what I use. I use Cantu Care. I don't know if you can see that because of the light. My son will assist me. Yes, Cantu Care curl treatment. That's for Anna because of the way her hair is. Thank you, my sweetness. So what I do, I go ahead and set up her hair. And this is what I use to smooth her hair down. It's a gel. There we go, the jam. And it's really good for Anna's hair. Anna, what are you doing, Mama? Just stand still. No, turn around. Behave. Okay. I don't know why she's doing this. Stop, don't do that. Anna wants to do everything her mom does. So what I do is wrap it, hold on 1 second. So I tie it like so, put in the rubber band. And I'm gonna do all three the same way. Now if you notice, I already did both sides of her hair. Now I'm getting ready to do the middle, and I'm putting all little small twists, but I'm gonna plait her hair because Anna, or braid her hair because Anna's hair is very, very fine. So this is the only way it would stay in place. So this is how I start.
Hi.
Braid her hair. You say hi to everybody, Mama?
Hi. Morning.
Say it's evening.
Sassy.
Good evening.
Here.
Yeah, the hair. Your hair is gonna look really nice when I'm done, right? Gonna look pretty?
No, Mommy.
Yeah.
Guess what? Here.
Okay, so I braid all the way down to the bottom. Yeah, I braid all the way down to the bottom. So, there you have it. I'm gonna do the rest. That I am braiding her hair. I'm braiding separate parts. Each side has like 2 braids on each side. If you guys notice, this is what I've done. See, I put all little braids in her hair. And to finish it, I'm gonna put little beads in there. So it's gonna be beads everywhere, and I'm gonna have barrettes on the side. So now I'm getting ready to part in the back. Lay your hair over, Mama. So I always wear her hair more, so I have more manage to her hair. A lot of people put other stuff in it, but with Anna's hair, she don't need that. And you can put me on laps. If you notice, I put her hair, it looks almost like an X. But it looks different. It's just that I have to braid this up a little bit, but you get the idea. So after I finish this, all this is gonna be like big barrettes, so some balls, barrette balls, and then she's gonna have a lot of beads. So we'll be back with more of the end. Alright, so you see that I had already started putting her barrettes in her head, the balls. You see I did the top already. Then I'm going to get ready to go ahead and start putting the beads on. And you'll see the finishing touches in a few minutes. It's not really hard, it's very easy, guys. See that I had already finished the top of her head. Now I'm doing the back. I'm braiding 2 braids on each of them, and each braid will have beads as well. So you go like this. So I'm braiding like so, and then you can I'm gonna put some beads on her. You see how fine her hair is. See how I gotta braid it because it's very fine. If you notice, the back is the same way, so I'm gonna do the same here, and I'm gonna do here. I already did this one on this side. Now I'm gonna do this side and then this side. Alright, so you see I already started the back of braiding her hair. I'm putting like three braids on each side. Alright everyone, I'm back. So if you notice, everything is almost done. I'm just putting more gel on the side because her hair sticks very fast. If you notice, see I braided all the hair in the back. Put your head down, Mama. See here? All these are going to be beads, just like these ones. Okay? So I think I'm going to either wrap the beads around or put a barrette with it or something, but I'll figure it out. So you put my wraps in. Alright, so you see I am about to put the beads on each end of each braid and each side. Cute little design there. There you go. Cute. All done. And now I'm going to do the rest and put the rest of the beads on the back, and then we'll be done. You see, there's the finishing of her hair. I synced it with the colors and the cute little bow. So this hairstyle will last a good week and a half. So y'all tell me how y'all like this hairstyle. Like I said, I got this from, oh, you could put me back over. Guys, so I am completely done with Anna's hair. If you notice, I have put beads on each end of her hair. This hairstyle, like I said earlier, will last like for a week and a half because she's not really rough with her hair because she loves her hair. And like I said, I get my hairstyles basically from Naturally Tiffany, and like I said, she has a YouTube channel and it's really good for a toddler to learn how to do toddler's hair. And ever since I've been watching her, I have no problems, but I always do a twist of what she did to her daughter's hair. Like your mind just starts running like, ooh, let me do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna bring it over here so you guys can really see how I did it again. Do you like it? There we go. And there you go. Alright, you guys. Remember, you're watching DivaButterfly. Please subscribe, like and subscribe, and tell me how you like Anna's hair. Give me some tips because like I said, I'm new to this. Alright, you guys have a good day. Say bye, Anna.
Bye.
Say bye.